This surah is giving us a criteria of success. What are the conditions of success? What's the concept of success? Everybody can understand. Every human being wants success. Nobody likes failure. But the concepts are different. 99.9 recurrent % people think that success depends upon wealth, accumulation of wealth and belongings and property. It corresponds to status in life, status in the society. It depends upon fame and honor and reputation. Or it is based on ostentation or worldly authority and power. These are the criteria of success. He has gathered a lot of money. He is a very successful person. He has attained that position of presidentship of his country. He is a very successful person. He has built so many mills, starting from a small factory. Well, he is a very successful person. He has so much property. Well, definitely, he has the assets, investments. Oh, he is a very successful person. He is very famous. He is known everywhere in the world. His name is very high. So, he is a successful person. This is the basis. And according to this basis, our attitude is decided. Gather money by hook or crook. Attain high position, either by deceiving the people, slogan mongering, telling lies. But you must reach the pinnacle of authority. Actually, it's the organic relationship between these two. The concept we have of success and our attitude in life, they must correspond to each other. What to speak of adult people, even children, you know, schoolboys, schoolgirls, they have some concept. And they are striving for it. Well, the doctors are very respected in this society. They are the moneyed people, no doubt. So I should be a doctor. And so on. So this is the basic question tackled here. This surah tells us success doesn't depend on money. Success doesn't depend on property, on name or fame or reputation or worldly honor. None of these things has to do anything with success. If only you have the belief that this is the word of Allah. It's a big if, no doubt. On the other hand, success depends on Iman. It depends upon Amal Salih. It depends upon Tawasi bil Haqq. It depends upon Tawasi bil Sabr. Only if we can have the real faith.